How to fix Temu app not loading product pages. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check Temu's server status. For that, launch your preferred browser and navigate to this one website, Down Detector. Once you're over here, at the top right, you're going to find this search icon. Over there, you'll need to type in Temu and then search for it. Now check the server status of Temu. If there are any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next thing you want to do is update your Temu app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Search for the app Temu. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Launch settings. Now head over to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget the network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next thing you want to do is disable VPN and ad blockers. Temu may block connections from VPNs or filter scripts. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.